Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2021 Nautique GS24. The GS24 is a fantastic boat. The front half of this hull is based on the ski boat. The rear half is going to be based on the award-winning G23. As we come around back, on the back of the boat, we're going to have SeaDeck on the swim platform. As always, our Nautique configurable running surface and our Nautique surf system, followed up with our surf pipe. Let's take a look at the inside of the boat. All right, as we move up from the transom, we've got some nice seating in the back of the boat. Nice big open walkway throughout the center, so you can come right onto the boat, not have to step on any of your interior. This center section panel pops out, so you've got that nice open walkway coming right through the boat. This boat's going to be equipped with lighted cup holders throughout, as well as the JL Audio 8.8 speakers. This is a fantastic boat, haze gray interior. Come on in to Rogers, Minnesota MarineMax, give us a call, set up an appointment to come check it out. Thanks.